myself Afifa Batul from third year. Today I am going to speak about hard work. Hard work helps us achieve our goals. If we hard work, we can succeed. Hard work makes our dreams come true. Hard work and practice makes better at everything we do. Hard work is key to success. So we hard work today and gain a bright future tomorrow. Thank you. Being third year, my topic is charity. Charity means helping others. We can give foods and clothes to poor people. We should share what we have. God loves kind people. Also help others with a smile. Charity is nature and care. Thank you. Once upon a time there was a rabbit and the tortoise. The rabbit thought we are the first, and the rabbit asked to his friend tortoise, "Tortoise, can we keep the race for one day?" And the tortoise accepted, and the race begins. The rabbit ran so fast and the tortoise came slow. When the rabbit saw the tortoise was so far, so the rabbit slept for few minutes. And the tortoise saw the rabbit and crossed the rabbit. The tortoise got to the finishing line. And the rabbit saw this. The tortoise was goes to the finishing line and ran so fast. The tortoise was crossed the finishing line. Moral of the story is slow and steady won the race. Thank you.
A reading from the Holy Bible, Matthew chapter 5. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they will inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. Blessed are the merciful, for they will be shown mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they will see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God. Blessed are those who are persecuted because of righteousness, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
Today we start the first day novena for the preparation of the feast of our patron, St. Charles Borromeo. Let's know about his early life on this first day. Borromeo was a descendant of nobility. The Borromeo family was one of the most ancient and wealthiest one in the state and the church. Charles' father Gilbert was a Count of Arona. His mother, Margaret, was a member of Milanese branch of the House of Medici. Charles was born in the castle of Arona on 2nd October 1538 as the third son in a family of 6 children. From childhood, he was very close to God through prayer and fond of reading the Holy Bible every day and night. As a young boy, he attended the University of Pavia to study civil and canon law. On the 6th December 1559, he earned a doctorate in canon and civil law. At the young age, he showed a desire for holiness and service.
Charles was raised in a very religious atmosphere and had a deep piety to prepare himself for a religious career. Receiving tonsure at age 12 marked his path to the priesthood. Soon he became a priest, followed by cardinal by the encouragement of his uncle Pope Pius IV. Dear friends, you will be known about his priesthood service and his service as Archbishop of Milan through the upcoming novena days. On this first day, we would like to highlight that St. Charles is the patron saint of bishops, catechists, seminarians, and
and spiritual leaders. As we the Chalians, let's learn to be good and holy like him. May we abide in God's presence through this prayer service to be good characterized Chalians.